What's up guys, welcome back to another video, another cryptocurrency video. And as of right now, the cryptocurrency market is worth about $1.5 trillion and growing, which is good news. And I haven't really talked about Dogecoin in a while, probably in a week. I haven't talked about Dogecoin. And although the price of Dogecoin still seems to be trending down and moving sideways for the most part, most of the other cryptocurrencies, there's still a lot of good news in the cryptocurrency world. And even though there is a lot of good news in the cryptocurrency world, the prices of crypto still keep trending downwards or is traveling or moving sideways. Now, I think that this is due to the fact that AMC is taking some of the hype right now, and other meme stocks are taking some of the hype, and people jumped into the cryptocurrency market because they wanted to make money. They want to make a lot of quick money. The majority of people in cryptocurrency right now, and comment below if you agree or disagree, but they don't care about 5 or 10 years from now. They're trying to find the next Dogecoin or the next crypto that's going to blow up by 1,000% so they can go in and make a killing and essentially just become millionaires overnight. And so when you have stocks like AMC or GameStop with the potential of a short squeeze coming, then these investors are naturally going to pause on the cryptocurrency investments because they're not as hot right now. And if they see that they can get in and profit from these stocks in just a day or two, then they're going to do that. So I think that's what's happening right now. And this is just my opinion. I think that right now a lot of investors are just putting a pause on Dogecoin and crypto, and they're going over to the stock market to see if they can make some money quickly. And then when they make this money, they'll be coming back to the crypto market and they'll be investing a lot more in crypto. And so once this short squeeze happens over the next week or 2 weeks, then I see a lot of people returning to the cryptocurrency market, and then we should have a lot more investors and a lot more volume, and we can look to see cryptos going back up as well. Now, before we go any further in this video, I just want to say a special thank you to all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel once again. I really appreciate you guys. And with that said, the channel has grown a lot in just this past week. Thank you guys for all the support. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you are new here and you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money, whether that's in crypto or the stock market or a business or a side hustle. I talk about credit cards, banking apps, and everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free to give this video a thumbs up, and it helps the channel out a ton. I'll also consider subscribing to the channel and turning on all notifications. And that way you'll never miss the updates of when I post new videos, which is every single day. Now, I just mentioned that crypto has a market cap of around 1.5 trillion, which is good, but that is still not a lot in my opinion. That's still not a lot when compared to the global economy. And I think that in the next 5 years, we could easily hit 5 trillion market cap, or around 5 trillion. And that is why I'm still going in on Ethereum. Ethereum is actually a very big deal for me. I'm actually more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin or anything else. I'm also into Dogecoin because Dogecoin is fun, it's for the people. And so we're going to be talking about Dogecoin right now in this video. Now, if you are investing in Dogecoin and even buying the dips, I think Dogecoin went to 29 cents again, which is another low price to jump in if you were waiting for an opportunity to buy low. But Dogecoin is being accepted by many stores and businesses. And recently, Dogecoin is being accepted at a store in Pennsylvania, or a company based in Pennsylvania that has over 600 stores. This is a convenience store chain known as Sheetz, and they are accepting Dogecoin as payment right now. And this is very good. And this just means that Dogecoin is no longer a meme cryptocurrency. It's now a valuable and useful cryptocurrency being accepted at multiple businesses. And this news isn't being pushed to you by the media. All the media is pushing right now is that cryptocurrency is going to crash and Dogecoin is going to go to zero. And now we have over 600 stores, which is good. But this store chain actually has gas stations as well. So you can now go at a gas pump and pay for fuel with Dogecoin. Now, I know that this is only 600 stores, but this is a potential catalyst that is going to cause more businesses to look at cryptocurrency and Dogecoin and start to become more comfortable with accepting cryptocurrency and Dogecoin. And I think that this is a catalyst that's going to now, moving forward, set the explosion where other businesses, multiple or a multitude of other businesses, are going to get on board and start accepting Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies in general. And this is very good for the cryptocurrency market. Now guys, with all that said, we have those 41,000 stores that are accepting Dogecoin. And now, in addition to this, 620 stores. We have the popular online retailer for electronics, Newegg, which is accepting Dogecoin. So if you guys want to buy new phones or iPads or computers or TVs or other electronic stuff, you can go onto newegg.com and you can purchase anything you want on that website with Dogecoin, which is absolutely huge for cryptocurrency and Dogecoin as a whole. Now, we have some other exciting news here for Dogecoin. Huge news for Dogecoin. There is a Canadian firm by the name of HelloPal. They are buying a Dogecoin mining startup for $3.5 million. Now, HelloPal is going to be the first listed company to have a Dogecoin mining arm. So not only are us, the retail investors, taking Dogecoin seriously and holding on to Dogecoin, but other businesses are now taking Dogecoin very seriously as well. They're accepting Doge as payment, and some are even investing in the infrastructure that will help them to mine Dogecoin. So this is hot stuff. This is very good news for Dogecoin. We should all be pushing this news, and this should be creating a lot of excitement and buzz around cryptocurrency and Dogecoin, and actually be helping the price of Dogecoin. But as I mentioned before, because people are moving over to the stock market right now, I believe that that's the reason why Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, and a lot of other cryptos aren't doing really well right now. If you can think of any other reason why cryptos aren't doing well right now, comment below and let me know what your thoughts are, why you think cryptos aren't doing really good. But a lot of good news is going on here for Dogecoin. Now, with all that said, if you look at the price chart of Dogecoin, it's a lot more volatile than the charts of Bitcoin or any of the other cryptocurrencies in the top 10. So you guys can make your own predictions as to where Dogecoin will go from here. But for the most part, in my opinion, I think that Dogecoin is still going to be able to make a recovery when the rest of the cryptocurrency market makes a recovery. And so I'm still holding on to my Dogecoins. I haven't sold any of my Dogecoins, and I don't plan on selling any of my Dogecoins. And also, guys, remember that Doge has already done incredibly well since the beginning of this year. Doge has moved all the way up from being just a meme coin to making its way to the top 10 list of cryptocurrencies right now. And Dogecoin has the attention of Elon Musk, who is currently working with the developers to improve the efficiency of Dogecoin. And if they can meet their goals and targets with Dogecoin, it's going to be very good for Dogecoin. And I can definitely see Dogecoin going mainstream in terms of being accepted at more businesses. And the price is definitely going to skyrocket at that point in time. So comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on the entire crypto market right now. Let me know if you think that the crypto market is down because people are moving to the stock market to make some quick money, or do you think that we are in a bear cycle or bear market where the price is going to continue to go down or sideways, or do you think that the bull run is still on and the price is going to shoot up in just a week or two? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. Now, with that said, as always, guys, thanks for watching. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. These are just my opinions. And with that said, be sure to check all the links down below in the description for free and helpful stuff where you can get free cash or free crypto or free stocks. And I will see you guys very soon in the next one.